It's been a while that I haven't made any day traveling vlog videos, so this was going to be about that, as I was today going to New Jersey to an Ikea store to buy some furniture for the house. Along with that, obviously, to have some food over there and have some fun. But I woke up to a reality of an ice storm. Let me show you. I knew it was gonna be bad, but I did not know that it was going to be this bad. Like all the roads are almost white, and on the weather they are saying do not travel, don't go anywhere, don't go outside. But hey, have you ever listened to anyone before that we will be listening to these weather people today? So I hope you have a good trip today.
Damn, the roads look bad. Do you really want to go out?
Yeah, come on.
Are you sure about it?
When was the last time I was sure about anything?
Well, you have a point.
Yep, that's the highway. And nope, it's not supposed to look like that. In my defense, I'll say that I did not know how the highways were until I actually came on the highway. Though they were telling on the radio stations, the televisions, and even on the phones, they were giving the warning notification that there is a snowstorm outside. Do not go outside, especially not on the highways. But hey, when was the last time you ever listened, right? The roads are bad, like bad. I'm driving an SUV with the snow mode on, yet still it's like slipping in all the possible directions you can ever possibly think of. And it's not just us, we saw more than 10 accidents on the road, like cars are flying in all the directions. I mean, it's not something good, but I mean, you can't help on the roads, it's like zero grip. Yet still, it could not stop us, and we are almost there, just 20 minutes and we'll be in the Ikea now. I have been living in US for a while now, but never been or seen any Ikea store. So this was my first time even seeing and being in an Ikea store. And the moment I saw this building, I was in a shock that how huge this furniture store is. Amazing. Finally reached to Ikea. This place is huge, like humongous. But time to explore it now. And the exploring started from the food court.
So here we are in the cafe. It's huge. We're about to try this food. It was only $15. That wasn't too bad for everything, honestly. Chicken tender meal, 2 egg quiche, and some veggie balls. What do you think? How is it? How's the food?
Food is good. It's good. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
I guess it was worth it then.
Yep.
Alright, I'm gonna dig in and give that a shot. Hopefully it's good.
After destroying the delicious food, it was time to explore the store starting from the bedroom section. The reason I'm calling bedroom section is because the whole store was built in sections like indoor, outdoor, bedroom, living, kitchen, etc, etc, etc. The best thing of Ikea store was that the furniture was not just laying over there. In fact, it was all arranged in a room layout.
What do we think? No?
No. Too soft. I like the Ikea theme, but not that much impressed though. They don't have that many things as much as I like anticipated that they'll have.
No.
Anyway, let's keep looking.
It's a big space, but like not a lot of options, you know? I don't know. Maybe not for my style, my theme, my everything.
True.
Whatever, keep looking.
Let's go back to Walmart.
Yes, this part is true that Ikea is huge. But the second part, that they have everything, is a little bit shady. The reason is because this Ikea store had New York, New Jersey small apartment style furniture and nothing for any house style furniture. The reason I think or I believe is because everything in there was super duper cheap. And house style furniture is never cheap.
After 5 million years of looking around, we finally found the lamp we wanted. See? It's very cool. Of course, we had to get the different lamp. Looks like alien spaceship or something. Can't just get a normal lamp like everybody else because somebody likes different things. So, there we have it. 2 alien lamps. Not only do we have those 2 table lamps, somebody found the standing version of the same lamp because he needs the matching set. Spending all my money today in the Ikea.
Can we get a color light for this one?
For what?
Because I like it.
Okay. Bye bye, wallet. Somebody's stealing you and stealing all my money along with it.
After exploring the whole IKEA for hours and getting the stuff that we liked or we wanted, it was time to now check out and head out. And that was IKEA. It was humongous, huge. You can literally find anything and everything in there, but it had some pros and cons. Everything was super cheap over there, so whatever you can think of, you can find over here for dirt cheap prices as compared to what is available out in the market. But the con is that all of, or I would say 80% of the stuff in there was not of that high quality material. It was just like a not so good material quality, I would say, but anyways, it was cheap, so gotta give it that points. Secondly, if you are looking to buy certain things from IKEA to match your own decoration of your house, it might not work that well, because the way IKEA is set up, it's like they have their whole theme. They are designed by their whole themes, and if your theme does not match their theme, well, you're in the bad luck. If you ask me, the only thing I liked about IKEA was technically the food and a few lights and lamps, and that was pretty much it from IKEA. After exploring that IKEA for all day long, we were super tired and I was super hungry. So we went to Patterson, New Jersey to our favorite Middle Eastern restaurant, Abu Ross.
So, how was it? What do we think?
It was a long, tiring day, so I deserve all this food just for myself. So let me have this food and eat in peace, because I really want this food now. If you like the video, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switch up. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup.